Hey everyone, it's me, Sarah. It's Wednesday and that means it's time for Sarah's marketing tips. So today I'm doing something completely different. I'm going to do you a really quick tutorial on Typorama, which was one of my 3 top apps that you must have. So follow along today and learn something new, and let's do this together, all right? Ready? Let's go. Let's create a meme for social media. Okay, open Typorama, and then we're going to create an Instagram story. So click on Instagram story. Down on the bottom, click on background, and then choose from my photos. It's going to take you to your albums. I'm going into recents. There's the photo I want of me on the stairs, and now I'm going to put some type over it. So what I did is I went into Pinterest and I found a quote that I thought matched the photo. It's a motivational quote, and since I'm standing on stairs, of course I chose something that involved stairs. And you can pick whatever you want. Pick something that really speaks to you and matches the photo that you're overlaying onto. You can then move that type all around, all the verbiage. You can move that little block around. You can then change the style of it. So I'm kind of consistent with the styles that I use, the typeface. I use the same 3 over and over again because it's part of my brand. I feel like branding and colors, typeface and colors is all part of your branding, so stay consistent with it. And then you can drag and drop it around and change the color. Again, I use the same colors over and over again. A lot of the time I use 2 different types of pink, either a super light pink or a medium pink. It's kind of part of my branding. This time I just decided to stay with the black because when I chose the pink, it just didn't pop very well. So since black's one of my colors, I chose black. And then again, resize it, make it fit onto the color of the backdrop so that you can read it very easily so that your customers can read it. Move it around to where you want it to stay. And then I always add a shadow to it because it really makes that type pop. So down at the bottom where it says history, styles, color, shadow, I put the full on his shadow on. And then up in the top right, you say, okay, share. And then you hit save and it downloads it to your camera roll. Yay! And now you automatically have a meme that you can go post to social media. So I'll show you that scroll over to your camera roll, boom, open your photos, and there it is, and it's ready to post. How easy was that? Okay, now let's go post it to Instagram. So open Instagram, click on the left top button to go post it to your story, click on camera roll, find the photo you want, click on that, then click on your sticker button up at the top and click on hashtag. We're going to add a hashtag. I'm doing Wednesday Wisdom because it's Wednesday, and then hit done. Then click on your hashtag and drag and drop it to move it to the location you want. But if you click on it, you can change the color. And then you're all done. All you have to do is click your story and you share it out to the world. So how simple was that? Now you've got a meme that you can post to social media. So post your meme to your story on Instagram, tag me in it so I can see your final product. I'm really excited. And then down below in the comments, tag someone that you think needs to watch this video that it will help them in their everyday business, all right? I will see you next week for Sarah's marketing tips. Remember to subscribe to my YouTube channel. It's at Sarah Monzo, and remember to follow me on Instagram at Lost in Tacoma. Okay, I'll see you next week. Bye.